Even though it originated in Italy, pizza is about as American food gets. From cheap delivery to artisanal pies, the combination of cheese, tomatoes, and dough is irresistible. We're so obsessed with it, the average person eats 6,000 slices in their lifetime. When it comes to regional pizza styles, floppy New York-style slices and a hefty Chicago deep dish get all the attention. But New Haven, Connecticut, a small city with a population of just 130,000 people, has a signature pizza style all its own. Just don't call it pizza. In New Haven, it's a beats. The thin, charred crust is reminiscent of Neapolitan-style pies, but the dough is given an extra long rise, giving it a more complex flavor. A generous application of fresh tomato sauce is key. In fact, the sauce is so important, mozzarella is optional.
New Haven pizza, it's crunch, it's bread, it's crust, it's charred, it's old, and there's a pride associated with it.
While New Haven has its fair share of pizzerias, one in particular stands out, Frank Pepe's. Established in 1925, it's the oldest pizzeria in Connecticut, and some even argue it's the best pizza in America.
And I came down just for this, because there is nothing in Vermont, the entire state, that matches Pepe's Pizza.
Its pies have a unique, smoky flavor thanks to coal ovens, and people start lining up before the restaurant even opens to get a taste. In fact, the pizzeria's cult following fueled its expansion into a chain, and now has 10 locations all over the East Coast. People from all over the country flock to Pepe's. But some might point out that Frank Pepe's pies are lopsided, with unevenly cut slices and crust that verges on burnt. So why do people freak out over this pizza?
What is that?
I got Pepe's pizza for Francis! Pizza! Pizza! Pepe's is famous for inventing white clam pizza. Topped with pecorino romano, garlic, olive oil, parsley, and freshly shucked clams, it's an unusual but delicious topping combination that stays true to the pizzeria's New England roots.
We've had people come in from out of state and they never even heard of a white clam pizza. And they're very skeptical about it. And our servers are trained to say, just try it, get a small one, try it. If you don't like it, we won't even charge you for it. 99% of the people, they love it.
When I heard about the white clam pizza, obviously we had like 3 of them that night.
It's the clam pizza. I tried it once and I gotta have it.
Though it's been around for nearly a century, Pepe's has stuck closely to its original recipe. And while many Americans still don't even know that New Haven-style pizza exists, let alone Frank Pepe's, that's all changing. More and more people are discovering this living legend of American pizza.